So talk about another strong green day for the stock market and for Nvidia stock. We have to break down everything in this video, the indexes, the charts, Nvidia, and maybe some other stocks later in the video. So guys, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and sign up to the mailing list. It's free, and you might as well get up to 15 stocks from Moo very quickly, guys. All you got to do is use that link down below, open up your account and fund it with at least $100, and boom, you get up to 15 stocks and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Use that link or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And guys, let's talk, because again, Nvidia ended up going up around 2% on the day, and we cracked over $120 per share for the first time in, I believe, a couple of weeks, or maybe not a couple of weeks. Jeez, guys, let's not blow it out of proportion here, but at least about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks, right? So we're heading in the right direction, no doubt about it. We went up 1.9%. We closed at $119 per share, and all of the indexes went green. You guys can see the Russell went up 1.2% on the day, NASDAQ up almost 1%, S&P up 0.8%, and the Dow went up 0.6%. Very good day overall for the indexes here, as the VIX went down again over 3%, 3.5% to be exact. So what I'm noticing here on Nvidia stock, guys, is a clear golden cross and a breakout on the 30-minute chart. We've been breaking out here over the last 2.5 days, which is a very good sign. And now overall, we're up around, let's see, $18, $19 per share off the lows, or about 18%. And we got some good news that they might be getting their chips out in Saudi Arabia. We talked about that in my video yesterday, right? That's some big news there that caused a big move for Nvidia stock yesterday. And now we're approaching a big resistance right at about $121 per share. This is a critical spot from, it looks like, the end of August, early September, which if we crack above 120, 122, my alert's at 125, that's where things could get very, very interesting. Maybe a lot more upside could be coming. And on the 20-day chart, we're noticing not a golden cross quite yet. It could be coming, but not now. But we are above the moving averages, and you'll notice again we're approaching that major resistance. And on this 4-hour time frame, which I've covered in my previous videos, but I'll show you guys here an update, we can see we're now pushing the top of this channel, which, mind you, we're very much still in this channel. We're still technically downtrending as of now. You guys can see right here, but we're approaching the breakout zone, which is another reason why I have my alert set at $125 per share, because if we're able to successfully get out of there, that's where, again, things could get very, very interesting here for the bulls. And you can make a solid argument, at least technically speaking on these charts, that Nvidia could be going all-time highs to all-time highs from that point, right? So hypothetically, we crack above 125, we start breaking this channel. After that, 130 is going to be next, right? $130 per share. That's a big resistance from the end of August. You guys can see right here if I zoom in. So 130 is a big spot to break for this stock, right? And if I pop the 4-hour chart up again, it's kind of glitching on me right now, guys. Bear with me. By the way, run those likes up. Let's get at least 100 likes on this video. I appreciate you all as always. We can see after 130, we have 137. That's a critical spot here on Nvidia. And of course, after that, 141, which is the all-time high. So, guys, we're looking pretty good. Not fully breaking out, not fully there yet, but we're making ground. We're making up ground after getting destroyed for a couple of days in a row. And like I said, guys, that was not going to last. The selling was not going to last. We got way oversold, and now we've gotten the snapback. And the million-dollar question is, Will this be a bull trap, or will this rally have legs, which the moment of truth is at $125 per share. Will it successfully get out of that point? That's personally right now what I'm waiting for, right? So Nvidia is looking pretty good. Again, all the indexes did very well today. If I pull these up one by one, SPY, which tracks the S&P 500, we have a clear inverse head and shoulders. You guys see this playing out. Let me actually draw it out to show you guys. Clear drawing set. Boom. We got the left shoulder right here. Heads right here. You guys notice that right shoulder. Also, you could argue a cup and handle is in the making right now on SPY, which is a very good sign. And guys, we're only 5 to 6 points away from all-time highs on SPY, which is huge. Buyers came in above that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart. Now we're breaking past the 50 SMA, all these moving averages. You know, we're starting to break out of here on these time frames, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. That all-time highs could be around the corner. And on triple Q, if I pull this up, not as close to all-time highs as SPY. We still have some ways to go, about $30 per share on triple Q. But like Nvidia, it's testing the top of this channel. We also have a cup and handle. You guys notice that. So if we're able to get that full pop out of 480, 485 plus, we could be getting that big breakout on triple Q, which we're not fully getting the confirmation yet, but we're at the point which it's going to test it. And if it does break, well, it could be going a lot higher in the short term. And the Russell, if I pull this up, went up 1.2% today. It looks like buyers are coming in around these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. Uptrends looking good on the Russell and the Dow for that matter. The Dow, we have a clear inverse head and shoulders on the Dow. You guys probably see that. Now we're popping off the 50 and the 180 moving averages. Very good sign overall here for the bulls on the Dow. So guys, man, we're looking pretty good. All these indexes look very strong on the charts, except for triple Q, but it's one pop away from starting to fully break out. Triple Q, that is. So let me show you some stocks quickly that did well today other than Nvidia. Looks like Coinbase went up a little bit, but still in downtrend territory. Not the best looking chart until it starts breaking back over. Honestly, $190 to $200 per share. We'll see how that goes. Looks like Google ended up having a nice bounce back day, although this is still very much in a downtrend as well. We'll see how that plays out here over time. Meta had a very good day today, up around 2.7%. And guys, Meta looks strong on the charts. We have an ascending triangle. We're pushing towards 540, 550, big resistance. And we also have, you guys see this right here, a cup and handle on Meta. So I'm actually really liking this as a breakout candidate, ticker symbol META, alongside of Nvidia and a bunch of other stocks as well. But yeah, Meta, inverse head and shoulder, or not an inverse, what was it? An ascending triangle with a cup and handle there as well. Looking pretty good on the charts, guys. And let me see what else ended up moving. Looks like a lot of stocks. Tesla went up around what? 1%. Disney went up a little bit. CrowdStrike, which I just bought more of, I think at $248 per share. That had a pretty good day today. Closed at $257. Amazon went up 1.3%, closed at $187 per share. So yeah, very good, strong market. Green day for the market today, and it looks like it's starting to get the pep, or its pep in the step. Or the market's getting its pep in the step back. If that makes any freaking sense, guys, I don't know what I'm saying now. But with that being said, I'm going to wrap up the video. The next video you guys might see from me, probably I'll be back in the States, which I'm excited about. Going to be back in the studio. Going to take 2-3 days off here, whatever it may be. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Run that likes up. The likes up, if I could talk today. Make sure to subscribe and get up to 15 stocks from Moo with at least a $100 deposit. And your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1. I was going to say 18. 8.1% APY. All of that's down below. Or go to stocksurfest.com/Moo, and I'll catch you in the next video.